For the greatest, wish me could have lived forever, yeah? Yo, peeps, I say V is for victory, anti-V and V from Duanvale, Trelawny is today the oldest person alive in the world, a Jamaican, and this is significant in a piece. In this day and age, people are being killed left, right, and center. Babies, children, teenagers to have a member, a citizen of this country living to the age of 117 and is still alive is something that we ought to be appreciative of, something that we probably will not see again in a very, very long time. You know, people now live so long again. You understand what I say? So, Anvi, as I said, today became this person alive in the world when the person who held distinction, Emma Moreno from Italy, died later today. I'm come share the story when me circle. It says Jamaica Aunt-V, the world's oldest human. Jamaica's super centenarian Violet Mosse-Brown became the world's oldest human today, Saturday, April 15, 2016, after the passing of Italian woman Emma Moreno, who was born on November the 29th, 1899. Mosse-Brown is 117 years old, having been born on March 10, 1900. Affectionately called Aunt-V, she lives in Duanvale. Her eldest child, Harold Fairweather, at age 96, is said to be the world's oldest living person, with a parent also alive. A B record holder, and this is a family. Aunt-V's parents, Elizabeth Riley, who lived at age 96, is a family thing, and John Moss brought her into the world on the same premises which she now lives. Aunt-V and her husband worked as cane farmers, selling their crops on sugar estate. Later, her husband became the caretaker of the neighboring cemetery, calling on his wife's skills to assist him in record keeping. Her birthplace, Duanvale, is a neighboring district to Sherwood, where Jamaica track legend Usain Bolt was born. Something about Trelawny in it. One of the super centenarians caretakers told Jamaica Observer columnist Jean Lorichin last year that she likes fish and mutton and sometimes she will have cow foot, but she does not eat pork and chicken. I wonder if that's why she lives so long. No pork and no chicken. Her other preferences are sweet potatoes, Irish potatoes, breadfruit, and fruits, especially oranges and mangoes. According to the US-based Gerontology Research Group, GRG, in 1900, when Miss Brown was born, Jamaica was part of the British West Indies. So her records are from the British government in Queen Victoria's time. Unless a surprise candidate comes out of the trees, she is the oldest living Victorian. Robert Young, director of the Los Angeles-based GRG's Super Centenarian Research and Database Division, told AFP. The previous eldest living person, Marina, died at her home in Verbania, northern Italy, as the last survivor of the 19th century, report said. The world longevity record, Young noted, remained with French woman Jean Clement, who died at 122 in 1997, having outlived both her daughter and grandson. A super centenarian is someone who has lived to or past their 110th birthday, and there are estimated to be 300 to 450 living super centenarians in the world, though only 50 verified cases are known. And V, what we are say, victory, man.
Them a preach and preach, the poor but they go beat and teach. See them so me see, beat and teach. So beat and teach, so beat and teach, beat and teach, beat and teach.
I have a couple of viewers in Italy, so who knows, somebody from Miss Marina's family might see this. So I just want to say on behalf of the entire Jamaica, condolences to the family of Miss Emma Marina, and it is just a pity that we have to be celebrating Anvi's rise to fame at the passing of Miss Marina. So heartfelt condolences to the Marina family in Italy, and may God bless her soul and may her soul rest in peace. As me I say, peeps, another achievement for Jamaica, seeing the eldest person alive now there. Yeah, you understand me I say, she would have I would be so enthused and excited to sit and talk to Miss Emma. You understand me I say, it would be nice to interview her, to pick her brain, to to delve into the wealth of knowledge and experience that she possesses, and can bet she's a very fun-loving and jovial person too. So Aunt V, big up yourself. Hope to see many more years. You understand me I say, and hope God continue to show you with blessings and life. Peeps, live good now, man. I'm out.
Remember to like, share, subscribe. This is Steve saying, until next time, walk good.